We chased the sunrise, laughed all day, found our own little world along the way. By the pool with the summer sky so blue, every single moment felt brand new. No matter where tomorrow leads, these memories are all we'll need. We'll never forget the days we shared, the smiles we gave, the hearts that cared. Through every laugh and every song, with you is where I belong. Even when the years go by, we'll remember every smile. Friends forever, side by side. These are the moments that never die. We shared our dreams over lunch that day, talking for hours as time slipped away. Every picture, every joke,